The circle of power has been prepared per your instructions, Lich. Are you ready to begin the summoning?
Nearly. I've been reading through Medivh's spellbook. His knowledge of demons alone is staggering. I suspect that he was far more powerful than anyone ever realized.
Not powerful enough to escape death, that is for certain. Suffice to say, the work he began, we will finish today. Let the summoning commence.
No one orders me around. Finally.
Proceed. My life for Ner'zhul. My sight is yours. I bow.
Lord Arthas, our scouts have found a cache of goblin landmines.
Excellent. We will make good use of them. Tread lightly. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like...
All shall
Tread
be
lightly.
revealed.
Defend Kel'Thuzad at all costs. The summoning must not be disrupted.
The dead shall
Our
serve.
forces are under attack.
My life for Ner'zhul.
Make your choice. Yes, Master.
My life for Ner'zhul.
Summoning what is complete. Speak, fool.
Where shall my blood be spilled?
Yes,
No one orders me
Research
around.
The Legion's fury scorches the sky. The barriers between the worlds are weakening. The Legion has sent hellhounds to aid us. The beasts are yours to command, Death Knight.
Is complete. Stand ready.
What is it now? What is it now?
Our town is under
This is
attack.
more like it.
I await.
My life for Ner'zhul.
No one orders me around. Speak, fool.
Upgrade complete.
Tread lightly. What is it now?
Make your
The Legion has sent hellhounds to aid us. The beasts are yours to command, Death Knight.
Upgrade complete. Upgrade complete. Our forces are under attack.
No one orders me around. What is it now? Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it.
Research complete.
At last.
Research complete.
No one orders me
Our
around.
town is under attack.
At
Our
last.
forces are under attack.
Frostmourne hungers.
Upgrade complete.
Speak, fool.
Upgrade complete.
Finally. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it. At last. Finally. This is more like it. At last. Frostmourne hungers.
Upgrade complete.
At last. Frostmourne hungers.
Our forces are under
This is
attack.
more like it. This is more like it. At last. Finally.
Your Honor.
No one research around.
Our forces are under attack.
Yes, my lord.
Forces are under attack.
Yes,
The
Master.
Legion has sent hellhounds to aid us. The beasts are yours to command, Death Knight.
Yes, Master.
Finally.
The damned stand
Frostmourne
ready.
hungers.
Our town is under attack. Our
at
forces
last.
are under attack. Upgrade complete. forces are under attack.
We done wait.
Your choice.
Our
At
forces
last, the mighty infernals have been sent to aid us. Rally them quickly, Death Knight. They are yours to command.
Our town is under attack. They came.
Speak, fool.
Our forces are under attack.
What is it? What is it now? No one orders me around.
Our forces are under
fool.
attack.
What needs revealing?
Our gold mine is nearly
Where
empty.
shall my blood be spilled?
Proceed.
Our town is under
What is
attack.
it now? Tread lightly.
Our forces are under attack.
Frostborn hungers. At last. Finally. Frostborn hungers. At last. No one orders me around. This is more like it. Frostborn hungers. Finally. Speak, fool.
Our forces are under attack.
This is more like it. No one orders me around.
Our forces are under attack.
At last.
Our town is under attack. Our forces are under attack.
Speak, fool. Tread lightly. Speak, fool. What is it now?
Our forces are under attack.
No one orders me around.
Our town is under attack.
Frostborn hungers.
Our forces are under attack. Our town is under attack.
Yes, Master.
Our forces
No
are under
one
attack.
orders me around. Speak, fool. My sight is yours. I'll look into it.
Upgrade
All
complete.
shall be revealed. Tread lightly. No one orders me around. Speak, fool. What is it now? I'll make sure you suffer. Tread lightly. Frostborn hungers. Tread lightly. No one orders me around. Summon is now. This is more like it. Speak, fool. Speak, fool. No one orders me around. ground! Kel'Thuzad must be defended! This is the hour of our victory! At last.
Your choice. But I will see.
Tread lightly.
Come forth, Lord Archimonde. Enter this world and let us bask in your power.
Tremble, mortals, and despair. Doom has come to this world. You have done well, little lich. My plan worked perfectly. Lord Archimonde, all the preparations have been made. Very well, Tichondrius. Since the Lich King is of no further use to me, you Dreadlords will now command the Scourge. As you wish, Lord Archimonde. Soon, I will order the invasion to begin. But first, I will make an example of these paltry wizards by crushing their city into the ashes of history.
This has got to be a joke. What happens to us now?
Be patient, young Death Knight. The Lich King foresaw this as well. You may yet have a part to play in his grand design.
Agir, Udal, Utarus. Agir, Modas, Vetalum. Dalentaro, Ildas, Glaku. Retul Zethara Samanar, Kutamus. Belar Sumaris, Azaratha, Rakas, Ilkula. Belanora, Mordanos Melar, il amor no fa